to my YouTube channel. Today I have come up with a new video by which you can earn much from home. And so before starting my video, do subscribe to my channel and like and share this video, and do press the bell icon so don't miss any video that I post next. So let's begin. Shiba Water, world's first crypto water contract address is written here. So, what is Shiba Water? Shiba Water is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. The team at Shiba Water believes that water is an essential thing and all humans are entitled to water. This surely must be basic human rights. Therefore, the team has assigned Shiba Water to give out BUSD rewards and allocated percentage of the transaction fee to a charity wallet, which we hope to contribute to the fight for access to water resources for everyone and anyone. 5% redistribution in BUSD, 5% every buy and sell is taken and redistributed to all the holders. Auto liquidity pool generation. 2% tax on each transaction is set aside to automatically generate liquidity inside PancakeSwap. Liquidity pools 50 by 50 value of tokens and BNB is added. This function solidifies Shiba Water's future. Whale prevention. Max transaction set to 1% to prevent whaling. Swatter tokenomics. Swatter dollar token distribution. Total supply is this, and circulated supply 91%, marketing value 4%, developer 1, 2%, developer 2, 2%, charity wallet 1%. Now the roadmap. Step 1. Design and deploy initial website pre-launch, marketing 100 Telegram members, fair launch, grow community. Step 2. Listing on CoinWatch sites such as CoinSniper, CoinHunt, and etc. Twitter marketing, PooCoin banner reveal and launch 100 Telegram members. Step 3. CoinGecko application, first donation charity, engaging organizations which have similar charity goals with Shiba Water. 3000 Telegram members, plan charity efforts using charity transaction fee. Step 4. 5,000 Telegram members listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, auctioning limited edition NFTs to fundraise for charity. You can join the Telegram by clicking this join the Telegram now button, and you can even follow us on Twitter. So, white paper. Shiba Water White Paper 2021. Table of Contents. Our story, our vision and mission, key milestones, tokenomics, water ecosystem disclaimers. Our story. Shiba Water started with a team with the intention of giving back, contributing, and making real life changes to the world's clean water resource problem, with crypto culture becoming a pool of hype, high risk, complicated schemes, and hostile predatory behavior. Shiba Water is a needle in the haystack that has proven otherwise. Today, Shiba Water is harness the emotion and enthusiasm of the crypto space and channels it to a great cause by integrating the personal incentive of rewards from our smart contract with the charitable act. Shiba Water uplifts the crypto community and makes philanthropy and humanitarian perspective once again a key part of the crypto narrative. This is a capital that would have never seen its way to a charitable organization and now unites the community into something for the greater good, embracing its roots in memes and internet culture. Shiba Water aims to make an impact on the global scale, allowing access to clean water sources to everyone in the world. This begins by participating in fruitful discussions with charitable organizations, educating them about the cryptocurrency space and opening the doors for real-world charitable endeavors to embrace the blockchain. Through passive transaction fees and active giving, Shiba Water exposes charitable causes to a world of untapped capital and the crypto audience to a world of good. Our vision and mission. Shiva Water's vision is to contribute a revolutionary social impact ecosystem on the blockchain. Shiva Water's mission is to leverage community action and blockchain technologies to grow a global movement that contributes to solving the water crisis. At Shiva Water, we believe that clean water resources are basic human rights, and we want to clean water accessible to anyone and everyone. Number 1, social impact. Number 2, collective action. Number 3, radical integrity. Number 4, economic sustainability. Key milestones. Number 1, launch on BSC network. Number 2, listing on CoinVote sites. Number 3, first donation. Number 4, CoinGecko and CMC listing. Number 5, engaging organizations with similar goals. Number 6, NFT charity auction. Tokenomics. The total supply is this, and this is the percentage in which it is all divided, which I've told you before. This water ecosystem. Shiva Water generates funds for social impact via the BUSD rewards, but there are many more creative ways for raising money and awareness for charity causes coming. Shiva Water Token, Binance Smart Chain, and PancakeSwap. Disclaimers: the white paper provides information and material of general nature. You are not authorized, and nor should you rely on the white paper for legal advice, business advice, or advice of any kind. Do your own research and consult experts where appropriate. Information published in the white paper: involvement risk, compliance with tax obligations, future statements, limitation of liability, no guarantees. Moving back, liquidity lock. From here you can connect a wallet to start, and by clicking this wallet connect button. Liquidity pool token locker, DXLock certified liquidity locker. Total LP tokens are this, locked LP tokens are this, and unlock date is 25 September 2021 at 23:58. So moving back, you can follow us on Twitter by clicking this button, and join our Telegram by going to this link. So buy on PancakeSwap. Exchange. You can exchange from you can exchange from PancakeSwap Finance. The moon is made of pancakes. Trade, earn, and win crypto on the most popular decentralized platform in the galaxy. We can connect to wallet and trade now. 2.6 million users, 45 million trades, and 11 billion staked. So that was it for today's video. If you got some information from my video, so do subscribe to my channel, like and share my video as possible. So I will meet you in the next one. Till then, goodbye.